Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to do a quick calculation using polar method, and what it's going to do is calculate total current of my circuit based on the giving value. So I have 24 amps of two resistive components, one of 24 amps, one of 15, and then a purely inductive component at 20 amps. So when I'm doing polar method, I'm going to come up with I total at an appropriate phase angle. So when I add those values together, what I have to do is take into consideration the magnitude and the direction of each. So my resistive component, the magnitude and direction of my second resistive component, and the magnitude and direction of that purely inductive component. So I'm going to have 24 amps at 0 degrees, because my resistive, that's in phase with my voltage, plus 15 amps at 0 degrees, in phase with my voltage, plus 20 amps at negative 90, so lagging my source voltage by 90 degrees. So when I fire that into my calculator, this is nice and simple for us. It's 24 at 0 degrees plus 15 at 0 degrees plus 20 at negative 90 degrees. And I get a value of a total circuit current of 43.829. And we ask it for the angle, so I switch it to ask for the angle, and I get an angle of negative 27.15, which you'll remember is exactly the same angle as when we did the impedance of this circuit, which is perfect. It has to be. And it shows us the negative, meaning we are lagging our reference by 27 degrees, which is 100% accurate because I'm an inductive circuit, a resistive and inductive. My current must lag the voltage by its phase angle, which in this case is 27 degrees. So that's what that negative is telling us. So this is the beautiful thing about polar method, is that we get a total current and an appropriate phase angle, but we have to remember this inductive component is lagging its reference by 90 degrees, and our reference is our voltage, because that's our EMF, our constant in an electrical circuit. So this is how to calculate a total current in a parallel circuit using the polar method. Hope this has helped. This is nice and quick. The idea is just to give us a brief reintroduction and a review of how these fundamentals work. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. Let me know what you're wondering, and I'm happy to help. Thanks. We'll see you in the next one.